Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to create these custom icons for your phone. And everyone's jazzing their phone up now that we have the new update. So I'm going to show you, it's really easy. And I created custom icons and different colors, and there's more coming out, and I'll go ahead and link these down below. It's on my Instagram and my Facebook, and you can just save them, screenshot them, use them to your liking. I thought it'd be really fun to kind of play around with some colors and themes. So here we go. Here is a basic pack. I'm always open to suggestions, so if you guys have any suggestions on what other apps you'd like to see, comment down below. But so here we have, let's say I want to customize, let's say I want to do my photo app. And so you'd go ahead and screenshot or save this image. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this down so that I just have this picture here. Okay, I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to go to my shortcut app. So I'm just going to type in shortcut right here. And on the top right, there is a plus sign that I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to press or click on add shortcut. And I'm going to click on scripting and then open app. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and press choose, and we did photos, right? So I'm going to go ahead and customize my photos. So now you're going to click on the top right button with the 3 dots. Right here it's circled right under next. I'm going to click on that and shortcut photos. Add to home screen. I'm going to name it again. Photos. And then on the bottom left, the highlighted icon, you're going to click on that and you're going to press choose photo. You're going to choose your photo from your camera roll and you're going to add it. Done and done, done. And now it is here. And it is on our home screen. And now if you want to put it here on the bottom bar, it's really easy. You just drag it in here, whatever you want. But now we have customized icons for your phone.